इंटरनेट पे आपको 100, 200, 500, 1000 वीडियो मिलेंगे बैकलॉग कैसे कवर करे वाले टाइटल के, पर आंसर सिर्फ एक और वो आंसर है काम से।
मेहनत बेटा एक आपसे एक ही चीज बोलती है, दुनिया से आप पूछोगे दुनिया बोलेगी अपने सही वक्त का आप इंतजार करो, आपका सही वक्त आएगा। और मेहनत आपसे एक ही चीज बोलती है कि अपना समय लाने के लिए आप हर रोज प्रयास करो।
Welcome to the day 1 of making your 11th basics strong for class 12th. Hi guys, my name is Sipti and I'm no more a CBSE 11th grader. Join me with this journey and subscribe for staying updated. Today we will be starting with chemistry, and in chemistry we will be doing a physical chemistry part. And before starting, let's make the important topic list of physical chemistry. Without wasting any time, let's start studying because we don't have enough time to cover everything. But we will.
Midnight glow where the stars align, we lose ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the sky painted with dreams, we're chasing the echoes of silent screams. Caught in the spell of the cosmic night, where fantasies bloom in the pale moonlight. We'll let go of all that we know and dance in the stardust's gentle flow. Dancing in the stardust, we're weightless and free in a world of wonders. Just you and me, lost in the moment. Our spirits ignite as we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light. Among constellations, we'll find our way through the celestial symphony. We'll sway with every step. We leave our cares behind. In this celestial ballroom, love's defined. Caught in the spell of the cosmic night, where fantasies bloom in the pale moonlight. Dancing in the stardust, we're weightless and free in a world of wonders. Just you and me, lost in the moment. Our spirits ignite as we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light. The shimmering galaxies will find our way, guided by love's everlasting sway. With the celestial heartbeat, we dance on in this cosmic gate as we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light. I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes, and I keep you in my heart.
Okay, so I had a break after completing the numerical portion of the mole concept, and after completing the numericals, I had my dinner क्योंकि 11 बजने जा रहा है अभी रात का. After that, मैंने अभी एक बहुत ही beautiful song सुना है. Let me show you. I don't know who is she, but I literally am in love with her voice, and she is so beautiful. Look at her, she is so beautiful. Guys, the lecturer is crying in the corner कि मुझे लगा लो, मुझे देख लो. So let's sit back to studies again. So in the first study session, I watched some part of mole concept, and now I am watching the another segment of mole concept, and I am also doing the numericals side by side. And I don't know why कि मुझे numericals करने में इतनी मौत क्यों आती है. I literally hate numericals, but अब तो numericals की practice करनी ही होगी because it's 12th now and we can't ignore numericals as well as the concept of our chapter. सो वैसे न्यूमेरिकल्स करने में मुझे थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम होती है, बट अभी मैं ट्राई कर रही हूँ न्यूमेरिकल करने का, क्योंकि पहले तो मैं वीडियो देखती हूँ और फिर उसको लाइक पॉज कर देते हैं, फिर खुद से उस न्यूमेरिकल को करने की कोशिश करते हैं, और इफ़ वो न्यूमेरिकल नहीं होता है देन आई गो थ्रू माई नोट्स, फिर थोड़ी सी नोट से हेल्प लेते हैं, फिर से अगर उस न्यूमेरिकल को करने में थोड़ी हेल्प मिलती है, और अपना जो मेरा आंसर आया है और जो टीचर का आंसर आया है उसको मैच करते हैं, पर वो गलत निकलता है, बट धीरे धीरे सही हो जाएगा, आई नो। बट द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज़ टू ट्राई. So it's 12:57 right now. Okay, 12:58 and it's going to be 1, and I'm feeling a bit sleepy, so I am thinking of doing something, a kind of skincare, so that I feel fresh and focus more, because I have to complete this lecture. So here I'm starting with my face wash, और इसके डायरेक्शंस में लिखा है कि shake well before use, and so I'm doing that. Fresh right now. After that it's time for this tube, which I'm not going to show you because it is prescribed by my dermatologist.
I second guess them, don't second guess me. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream.
So after doing my skincare, I am feeling so fresh right now, and इसके बाद में like मेरी नींद भी भाग गई थी. Then I set back to studies again, and now I am starting with redox reaction, क्योंकि मेरा मोल concept अब ख़त्म हो गया है, and now I'm starting with redox reaction and stay hydrated, like stay hydrated at any cost. So coming back to our topic, इस chapter में जो like toughest thing मुझे लग रही है वो है balancing, and I feel balancing easy है, पर उसके लिए प्रैक्टिस चाहिए बहुत ज़्यादा. तो अभी इतनी देर पढ़ते पढ़ते मुझे लग गई थी थोड़ी प्यास, सो आई टुक अ ब्रेक एंड आई ड्रैंक वाटर. इट्स 2:16 एट नाइट, एंड अभी मुझे दोबारा से डांट पड़ चुकी है सोने के लिए. देन आई हैव टू स्लीप नाउ, और मुझे भी थोड़ी थोड़ी नींद आ रही है, क्योंकि अब मेरे दिमाग में ये घुस भी नहीं रहा है, कुछ रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन की बैलेंसिंग चल रही है, पर अब वो मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रही है. सो आई डिसाइडेड टू स्लीप नाउ, एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग वी विल स्टडी इन द मॉर्निंग विद फ्रेश माइंड. So just wrapping up the stuff, books, pens and everything, so that मुझे सुबह सब कुछ clean और tidy मिले. Okay, so it's 2:20 and we did mole concept and redox reaction. थोड़ा बहुत बचा है बस. So now I'm going to sleep. Bye bye. Good morning guys. I woke up at 8 and I found the sky was so pretty, like literally so pretty, and then I got freshen up, and then I had my breakfast at 8:15. Then at 10, around 10, I sat back to studies again. पहले तो मैंने स्टार्ट किया रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन से, जो कल थोड़ा सा पार्ट छूट गया था वो. ओके, सो फाइनली 1 घंटा बाद मैंने पूरा रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन चैप्टर कंप्लीट कर लिया है, एंड नाउ द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक विल बी थर्मोडायनेमिक्स. But before starting thermodynamics, I am just going for a quick shower, so I decided to close everything, and I can't show you my face, I'm looking terrible right now.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so I took a quick shower, I washed my hair, I did my skincare, and now I am getting back to studies. So this time I'm starting with thermodynamics, and then I studied equilibrium, and I didn't shoot a lot because मेरे फ़ोन की बैटरी एकदम जाने वाली थी, मेरा फ़ोन मरने वाला था. So basically I studied a small part of equilibrium and the rest I will study in the upcoming videos. So yeah, we come to an end of this video, and this was it for today's day 1 of this series. So guys, in this video, like the first video of this series, I have completed mole concept, redox reaction and thermodynamics and some part of equilibrium. And in the day 2 of this series, I will be doing equilibrium and उसके थोड़े बहुत numericals करेंगे, थोड़े बहुत क्या बहुत सारे करेंगे, and we will revise the whole physical chemistry again. We will learn the notes and we will practice more numericals of physical chemistry, and in the day 2 we will complete the whole physical chemistry. So subscribe if you haven't, and thank you if you are still here, it means a lot. And subscribe for more vlogs like these, and if you have wasted your 11, then this series will definitely help you, so don't forget to subscribe for staying updated. And now I think I should end this video, so we'll meet you in the next vlog. Till then, stay connected and comment कि आपका 11th कैसा रहा है और आपकी preparation कैसी चल रही है. Till then, stay connected and bye bye.